every time we say goodbye.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. This video is full of extreme cleaning motivation, so I hope it will motivate you to do your own cleaning and help you complete your to-do list for the day to start our week with a fresh, clean home.
'Cause you never show, you say you will, but then you...
Today I'm starting in the living room and I just tidied up the couch and the coffee table, which I will also wipe down, and I will also dust the TV stand.
get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye,
I will also clean the windows in here and vacuum and mop the floors.
now I'm all alone. 'Cause you never show, you say you will, but then you don't. Let's let it go. Don't wanna go. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me
For mopping, I'm using Villetta Spin Mop and I fill it with hot water and vinegar with a little bit of dish soap.
I can wait another second to be with you for an eternity. I feel like I am in a daydream. Every moment that I spend with you, with you.
Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky.
Now I'm moving into our bedroom to change the sheets and make the bed.
Won't you take me home? high. Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
In the laundry room, I will sort all these socks. Some have a pair and some don't, so I will collect all these that have a pair and put them away later when I will be folding laundry. I will also wipe down the table and water this plant here.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time.
Now I'm cleaning the window in here, and when I'm done with that, I will organize the dog food that I store in the corner in this laundry room.
Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
You and me, we both live life at full speed, easy to see. When we collide, no one walks away easy. I never thought you'd be the one. I never meant to take your heart. I never felt so hard. I never meant to be the one. I never thought I'd break your heart. And after the stars have crumbled to dust, we still feel the warmth burning in us, burning in us. It hurts so bad, but it doesn't mean that it's wrong. No, 'cause after the storm, you'll see the sun.
Now I'm in the kitchen and I have some deep cleaning to do in here, but first I will clean the table, and for that I'm using the same cleaner that I used in the living room, which is Splendid Kitchen Foam Cleaner.
You and me, we both
I will quickly put away and wash some dishes, and then I will start cleaning the oven.
We still feel the love burning in us, burning in us. And it hurts so bad, but it doesn't mean that it's wrong. No, 'cause after the storm, you'll see the sun. And after the storm.
I'm just taking the oven rack out and spraying it with the degreaser, and I will leave it on for about 5 minutes, and in the meantime I will scrub down the oven rack and then start scrubbing the oven.
Tonight, I'd lie for you, baby. Honestly,
I always turn on my oven for 10 minutes when I'm done cleaning it to remove the smell of the cleaner. I will clean the windows in here as well. I like to do that every month to kinda keep up with it, and I properly clean them with water and dish soaps once or twice a year.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that.
Now I will just clean the stove top, scrub the sink and wipe down the counters. For stove and the sink I will use my R Scrub cream cleaner, and I will wipe down the counters with antibacterial wipes.
I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional, just make the call. And I you, I know that this is all, so we don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle. I think we've seen it all. Just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make the call, and I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make the call, and I'll be yours.
That is everything for this video. I hope it motivated you. If you cleaned with me, please leave a comment and tell me what you managed to get done. And if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you aren't already. I would love to have you here. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!